Hello, welcome to Stafford Land Rover. Today I'm going to show you around this gorgeous Range Rover Sport HSE Dynamic 3 litre diesel in Santorini Black. This car is next due for a service in October 2021 and has previously had one owner. As you can see, you have 21-inch alloys, a powered tailgate, plenty of space there for personal items such as golf clubs and pushchairs. And you can close the boot using the button there or the one on your key. Carrying on round the car, you also have keyless entry, so if I lock the vehicle, I can also unlock it just by pulling the handle as long as the key's nearby. Illuminated Range Rover script tread plates and a lovely leather interior. A sliding panoramic roof, which is really nice to open on a sunny day like today, or just for some fresh air. You also have different suspension, higher for off-roading, in the middle for just general driving, or lower to make it easier to get in and out of the car. You also have a dark grey oak veneer, heated seats, which is a luxury especially in winter. Different driving modes, including grass, gravel and snow, mud ruts, sand and rock crawl. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with Eco Data, which tells you how well the car's been driven, for example if you're braking too hard. Valet mode, meaning you can lock the screen so a valeter can only access your climate control. You do also have Bluetooth and voice recognition, controls on your wheel, including a speed limiter and lane departure warning, and cruise control, all handy when driving along the motorway. Memory seats, which is handy for several people driving the car, and a Meridian sound system. This car's done 39,406 miles, and stepping back outside the vehicle, that was a gorgeous Range Rover Sport. If you're interested in this car, please call 01785 899 446. Thank you.